Hello everyone, my name is Furkan. Today I am going to show you how we can connect AX-3 PLCs. Let's start with Ethernet connection. Let's look at the PLC IP in here. The default IP for PLC is this. That's why we should make our local IP in the same direction. First, I will plug my Ethernet cable to the PLC. And it's connected now. Let's look at the IP. And you can see my PC and PLC is same IP way. The rest is the just scan network, and you can see the PLC is ready to connect. When scanning is done, we can connect the PLC. If this point when green, the connection is successful. There is another way to connect AX PLC is that mini USB cable, but let me show you first the problem and then we can solve the problem easily. Now I am connecting my mini USB cable to the computer and it's COM10. Let's scan network. There will be no PLC in here. And let's see why. Scanning is done and there is a local gateway configuration in here. When we open the section, you see the UDP interface is only the gateway connection. Let's add here a COM port. We can name it whatever we want. And this is the important part. You can see the COM port is 10. We make sure they have same port, and the baud rate is, let's look at the property, it's 9600. Let's make it same. When we press OK, the mini USB cable will be activated. But first we should stop our codesys gateway, then we run it. Okay, you can see we have PLC connected in here. Let's make sure, and connection is done. This is the way how we can online our AX-3 series PLC with using mini USB cable. Thanks for watching. See you later.